Hi, so we're having a little bit of wind today, so I thought I'd take this out and see whether we can get something from it or not. Okay, so we've got a little bit of wind. Actually, not a tremendous amount, but enough it would seem. Now, the idea of this thing, remember, is that it's going to sit on a flat balcony, or something like that. So it should be quite close to the wall. So I've arranged it here so that it's near the building, and we're on the corner of the building. As you can see, even in the lightest breeze, we get that spinning really easily. Now, I've made a modification to the actual motor, because it's a stepper motor, which is basically two coils producing AC. What we've done is each coil is going through its own bridge rectifier, and it's feeding this capacitor here. These capacitors are 1000 farads at 50 volts, so that's what the capacitors can cope with. So right now it's charging those capacitors, and when we read the meter we can see that it's had no problem at all in generating a couple of volts. Now, as it slows down, obviously the capacitors are acting like a smoothing filter, so that voltage is pretty much stable actually, even though we lose the power of the wind every now and then. So I think that's kind of cool, because obviously it's in a circuit charging the capacitors, so it is doing real work right now. And as you notice, it's got quite slow because the wind has dropped off, and we've still got an even voltage output there, which is pretty cool if you think about it. So I'm going to leave it there for a little bit and see what happens, but it picks up the breeze beautifully actually. So I just wanted to give you a view down the other side of the building. You can see it's actually quite shaded, mostly because of the fence, the tree and the hedge up there. So it's not doing badly actually. And here's a view down the other side of the building again. Pretty shaded really from the wind. Okay, so I liked that. I'm unsure it'll satisfy anybody else or not, but I thought it was kind of cool. It clearly spins really well. I think the motor in there perhaps needs a bit more improvement. Maybe something that was actually designed to be a generator instead of being a motor. Then I was mulling that one over. I might actually have a hunt around for a brushless DC generator and maybe pop that in the sphere. But on the whole, I think the thing's responding okay, actually. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I know people wanted to see it outside. I'm sorry that the wind wasn't stronger, but it certainly seems to be doing okay and holding up reasonably well. So, thank you very much for watching.